Okay guys, we got a 2005 Hyundai Santa Fe here with a 2.7. You got some O2 sensors that just keep throwing the codes downstream. You change the O2 sensors, they're still there. As you know, there's a bunch of things that can cause an O2 sensor code, but if you ran through everything, there might have been one thing you missed on the Hyundai, and that is a PCV valve. So we removed this hose. Let me show you this valve and how it failed. So we're gonna pull that out. That's your PCV valve on the 2.7. Look down in there, you see that little spring? I'm gonna flop it upside down and you'll see it's right at the top. And then as I turn it, it drops. It's broke, it's no good. It's allowing the air to go both directions. It's causing the engine to run rich. The ECM's trying to correct it through the front O2 sensor, bank one, and then it runs rich. Then you pull your plugs and look, then it's running lean, it's going back and forth, and it keeps throwing that code. And that code's not gonna come back immediately. You'll have to have a drive cycle before it comes back thinking, oh, I fixed it. And you drive it and the damn thing comes back. So check your PCV valve. That's probably your problem on these Hyundais. So this one's a 2005, like I said. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.